I just learned this new trick, burying the ropes beneath the earth, to give your tomato plant the best stake. This new staking pattern promotes how sturdy and steady your tomato plant will be. And this is what I'm about to teach you. Get your staking rope. Tie it on your tomato plant. When tying up the rope, make sure there's a little space on the rope so that the rope will not cut the tomato plant. Now cover the rope with a heap of sand. This covering will stop the rope from pulling off. Hope you can see how sturdy and steady it is. Now, tie the rope around the tomato plant. Do this carefully to avoid cutting some of the major branches. Now, tie it up to the hanging rope. Your staking is complete. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with your friends.